Hello po, pwede po kaya akong mag-take ng Masters in Microbiology with Psych degree? Subukan nating sagutin yan. Again, this is Lordy, ang tito mong psychologist. So, pasensya na, no? Medyo napasobra tayo sa exercise at boxing, kaya merong minor injury lang naman. Alright, so sige, subukan nating sagutin ang tanong ni Celestine. Ayan, so, for most master's degree, no, whether it's in sciences or in other areas of expertise, regardless of your bachelor's degree, you can actually take those advanced degree courses. However, you need to be reminded that you still need to take this what we call bridging courses. No? So I believe those are some of the things that you need to go through before you can actually enroll for an actual master's degree in the area of specialization that you want to pursue. So for example, you have your bachelor's degree in psychology and then you want to pursue a master's degree in microbiology. For sure, kung saang university man yan, they will require you to take these number of courses first, pass them, and then afterwards, that's the time that you could actually go through the different master's degree courses within that program. I hope I was able to answer your question. Again, this is Lordy, ang tito mong psychologist.